Hello world! Now Ollama got a great new chat interface, which also allows now users to run Ollama models without the command line. So if you go to ollama.com, you can simply then download the software here, and you also find the various models which exist. So if you go to models here, you find various models, so Chinese models like DeepSeek, or also Google models like Gamma 3 and so on. So Qwen 3 from Alibaba and so on. And of course, you can also then sort them by popularity or whether the model or when the model was released. Also, what kind of model? So if you want to embed text or you want a thinking model and so on, that also can be selected here. And beside this, if you then want to download Ollama, you just go to download here and then you find it for all actually major platforms. So if you have a Mac, you can go with Mac. If you have a Linux system, go Linux. And if you have a Windows system like I do here, then go with Windows. And after you download the software, then so far, we only had the option to use the command line in Windows, for instance, to run the model. So let me just briefly show this to you. And so if I open the command line and after installing Ollama, you can simply run Ollama like that. And then you get all the commands regarding Ollama in here. So you can serve it, so you can create a local server for Ollama and then use Python, for instance, to interact with it. Or you can also pull a specific model. Or you can also have a list, a look at the list of which models you currently have downloaded. So for instance, let me show you my list, Ollama, and then list. If you run this in the command line, you see that here, these are the models what I currently have. So a text embedding model, and then also in this case, Qwen 3, which is a thinking model, and also 5.4, which is from Microsoft, and Gamma 3, which is from Google. So I've installed these models in here. And now if you want to chat with models, so far you had to do it in the command line, right? So for instance, if you say, I want to chat with the Gamma 3 model, for instance, I would have to say Ollama run. You can also use pull. Then you would download the model first and then would automatically go into run state. But if you already downloaded, you can say Ollama run and then just give exactly the model name. So Gamma 3 latest, right? Exactly like it's specified up here, right? And if I do that and I click the run button here, so press enter, then I can now chat in the command line. So what is Andromeda in space? And then, for instance, here, one sentence. So answer in one sentence, right? Something like that. And if I press enter, then you see how fast it is actually, right? On my local machine. So Andromeda is a large galaxy in our local group, and so on, so on, so on. So that's basically how it works. So far, at least. But of course, this command line interface is not what everybody likes, right? So some people are maybe not that tech affin or want to actually run it in a kind of interface which looks like more like the one from OpenAI. And there was also a kind of Open Web UI, it's called, an extension you could use, but you will have to use to run it in Docker, I think, or in Node.js, something like that. So a third-party tool, which also is not installed on each machine. So is a way to do it simpler, and yes, now it is. If you download the latest Ollama software, then you just need to, start Ollama, and then if you should see it in the bottom right of your Windows screen or of on your software screen, and then if you just right click on it and go to Open Ollama, and then you see the new interface, which looks like that. And this interface is kind of similar to ChatGPT because you can have a look at your prior chats. So in history, if you click there, you can also create new chats by clicking up here on the icon, and then you can select all the different kinds of models which are currently available in here. And you can see them in various sizes. So if the model is not downloaded yet, you can see it here. If you click on this, then you would download it first because each model exists in various parameter sizes. So the bigger the model, the parameter size, the better the model normally, but also the more compute power it takes and also more compute resources. And the ones you downloaded, you can see that directly here, so it's in Qwen 3 and so on. These are the ones I have, if you've seen when I run Ollama list. And if I now select, for instance, the thinking model in here, I could ask here my question, right? So again, what is Andromeda in space? And then answer in, let's say, 3 sentences. And this time, because we use a thinking model, you also see the thinking process, right? So if I press enter, and then we just wait, and we should see actually thinking starts here. As you can see here, thinking, and so on, so on, so on. And then we get our answer in here. And you also see that how quick it is. So I do not cut the video any time here. It's just really that fast. On the consumer hardware. So that's basically it. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and please give it a try. Also let me know what kind of models you think are the best ones, the open source ones. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also please share it. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that. That helps a lot, of course, to creating future videos for you. If you've got questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, best guys.